Although everyone is aware of it and values it appropriately, we believe that NVIDIA is in a great position with the picks and shovels, and our projections for the company's revenue growth over the next 5 years are very ambitious. Therefore, depending on one's assessment, this year's revenue falls between, say, 25 and 27 times sales. We have other software names in our portfolio, and keep in mind that, based on our predictions, $8 to $21 worth of software will be sold for every dollar of hardware. The largest AI opportunity now available is Tesla. In terms of autonomous cab platforms, it is the largest artificial intelligence project in the world, and it is currently selling for about 7 times, or even 6 times revenues. We believe that to be the best example, and it's a really nice one. Zoom, which is selling at about 3 times sales, and Twilio, which is selling at 2 to 3 times sales, are the other software plays. All of these are sales, and these businesses either have extremely high gross margins, like Zoom's 80%, or poor margins, like Tesla's in the 20s. Although these are gross margins, they will increase as a result of Tesla's developing SaaS-like business model. Unexpectedly, they will ascend from their 20s into what we think are their 50s and 60s. Within the next 10 years, Nvidia, a powerhouse in the IT sector currently, may be valued at an astounding $300 trillion. Although this number might appear bold, it is supported by a number of important considerations, chief among them being Nvidia's dominance in the rapidly developing field of artificial intelligence, AI. Nvidia is well positioned to be the main beneficiary of the AI revolution that is currently taking place in the world. For training and executing sophisticated AI models, the company's graphics processing units, GPUs, have emerged as the industry standard. The need for Nvidia's GPUs will only grow as AI continues to pervade every sector, including healthcare, banking, and entertainment. This growing demand may drive Nvidia's earnings to previously unheard-of levels and greatly increase its market value. In addition to being strong, Nvidia's GPUs are tuned for the parallel processing capacity needed by AI algorithms. Because of this technological edge, Nvidia is now the preferred supplier of AI infrastructure. Nvidia's GPUs will continue to be essential as sectors depend more and more on AI for automation, data analysis, and decision-making, guaranteeing that the business continues at the forefront of the AI explosion. AI is probably going to be incorporated into almost every part of our life in the future, from intelligent virtual assistants to personalized medicine to self-driving cars. Applications of AI will proliferate. Many of these applications are already powered by Nvidia's technology, which will be crucial to their further advancement and broad use. Nvidia's valuation will rise as a result of its widespread use, which will further strengthen its position as the top AI enabler. For example, Nvidia's Drive platform offers the processing capacity required for real-time data processing and decision-making in autonomous cars. Nvidia's Clara platform is transforming genetics and medical imaging in the healthcare industry. These developments broaden Nvidia's commercial reach across several industries, while also showcasing the company's technological capabilities. Nvidia is becoming more than just a hardware company. It is also becoming an AI provider. This means providing cloud-based AI platforms and tools which enable both individuals and organizations to leverage AI's potential without needing a great deal of technical know-how. In addition to increasing Nvidia's income streams, this strategic move positions the business as a full-service provider of AI solutions, which raises the company's potential for valuation. Nvidia's AI products, such as the NVIDIA AI Enterprise Suite, make it simple for businesses to implement AI solutions. Nvidia can reach a wider range of clients, including startups and major corporations, by reducing the obstacles to AI adoption. A steady and expanding revenue stream will be provided by this subscription-based recurring revenue model, which is essential for reaching such a high valuation. AI is expected to have a huge economic impact. A PwC analysis estimates that by 2030, artificial intelligence might boost the world economy by up to $15.7 trillion. Nvidia is positioned to take a sizable chunk of this value as a major participant in the AI ecosystem. The company's market valuation may reach the trillions if it can successfully commercialize AI through its services, software, and hardware. Nvidia has an impact on AI that goes beyond conventional sectors. Drones and analytics driven by AI, for instance, can maximize crop yields in agriculture. AI algorithms have the potential to enhance trading tactics and risk management in the financial industry. To fully realize the economic potential of these applications, NVIDIA's hardware and AI solutions will be essential. The popularity of the metaverse, a virtual environment where users may communicate, collaborate, and have fun, is growing quickly. The depiction of the intricate simulations and images needed for the metaverse to operate depends on NVIDIA's GPUs. NVIDIA's technology will be in great demand as the metaverse develops and gains traction, which could raise the company's price to all-time highs. A key component of NVIDIA's metaverse plan is the Omniverse platform, which allows engineers, designers, and creators to collaborate and simulate in real time. The need for strong, scalable computing power will increase as more businesses and individuals create and occupy the metaverse, making NVIDIA a major participant in this new digital frontier. Although a $300 trillion valuation is conceivable, there are obstacles in the way. NVIDIA's expansion may be hampered by heightened competition, legal restrictions, and other technological upheavals. The business will also need to keep up its innovative edge and adjust to the rapidly changing AI environment. Technology behemoths like Google, AMD, and Intel may put pressure on NVIDIA's market share. Its activities may potentially be impacted by regulatory scrutiny of AI and data privacy. Furthermore, NVIDIA's hegemony might be challenged by developments in quantum computing or other AI devices. The fact that NVIDIA might be valued at $300 trillion in 10 years is evidence of how revolutionary AI can be. NVIDIA's technology will be at the vanguard of this change as the world adopts AI, propelling previously unheard-of growth and value creation. NVIDIA is a strong contender to reach this remarkable valuation despite the obstacles that lie ahead due to its strategic positioning, growing business model, and the enormous economic potential of artificial intelligence. In conclusion, NVIDIA's leadership in the AI revolution, the incorporation of AI into daily life, its shift to AIs, the enormous economic effect of AI, and its innovative work in the metaverse will all contribute to the company's ascent to a $300 trillion valuation. With a solid base and a focus on next developments, NVIDIA is in a good position to reach this noteworthy milestone. Shares of NVIDIA are up almost 4%. What's the most recent information you've learned from your numerous on-air and off-air discussions with many of the attendees of Dreamforce this week and those you've just seen in the San Francisco region, Jim? Well, I believe we can hear Lisa Su's AMD remarks. What she said to me was, "Look, NVIDIA is on a sizable lead, but there's room for two because there is so much business. I keep getting more and more demands. And the main joke here is that some people actually have Blackwell. Elon Musk or Mark Zuckerberg will be the one, since last week. Jensen Huang had just been pretty emotional. Who gets his chips? David, I've never seen anything like this. You know what? It's like they're scalping him. Yes, and that's not good. Although he has previously experienced scalping, most people simply assume that Jensen is artificial intelligence. No one has joined his orb, but we're waiting for others to do so. Last night, that stock fell in value. It fell apart. As though it were some kind of small-cap margarine, it went from 15 to 13. Well, margarine. Margarine with a knife. Yes, have a look at it. But now that it's higher, Carl, it's clear that we have an S&P. That's a brand new S&P record, isn't it? Yes. This is a record high, and I believe the Dow is at an all-time high as well. 42K or such. NVIDIA is the one to keep an eye on. Up 3.5, now up 5. Apart from the fact that K&R has been against it for a long time because people believe Jensen can't possibly retain the strength, there was nothing wrong with NVIDIA. We're making an effort, and NVIDIA is my target. It hasn't yet reached a higher peak than the last one, you know. Thus, it is unquestionably still in this sideways position. Therefore, until we have a few more days of follow-through, I suppose I will hold off on making a determination about whether this is, a shift in the nature of this market that has been shifting away from technology.